Hey people, since you folks are my friends, I want to sit and chat with y'all, yeah, sometimes. Like, as in, you know, since the time I got divorced, I have been like on a, I won't say treadmill because it took me 1 year after the divorce to um, uh, kind of come back to normal because in that 1 year I watched a lot of YouTube videos, and that's how I got this idea of starting this YouTube channel. And not just YouTube, then I did a lot of ebook writing. Now I have over 100 ebooks on Amazon. Kindly go and check it out. Yeah, I keep writing these ebooks, nobody reads, but yeah, still. So that's what. And then as of this morning, my sister was like, so what have you done in these 4 years? It's like very like there are people who would just kind of brush past you and say, oh, yeah, it happens, right? That's the kind of dynamic in many homes. But no, every day it's been, for me 2020 has been the busiest year of my life. It's like I'm at a breathless pace because as of yesterday, for the first time, I finished making rotis in 15 minutes flat, which I'm surprised at my own self. And also sweeping, swabbing, dusting of the house, half an hour it was done because I want to be able to do this in case now I take up a full-time job. But before that full-time job, for me in my heart, I feel like I've been sent on this earth to do healing work, like even tarot card reading and all, because I think these things are important. Yeah. So if anyone can be kind enough to write in the comment section below about, that's what, probably I should just follow my heart. But it's like I'm doing too many things at the same time. But yeah, this is how life is, right? And Instagram, and then YouTube, and then ebooks, and then taking care of the house, and then rabbits, and then my sister saying this, and oh. But yeah, and then full-time job. Perfect. But yeah, but really people, it feels nice to just chat with you all instead of just always telling you all product review, book review, this review, that review. It's nice to connect sometimes. It's already a 2 minute video, but I'm feeling happy after making this. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.